What about these? What's happening? Yeah, so something different for the channel here again. Away in the distance there, I don't know if you can see it, and I hope you can hear me because it's a bit windy here today. Yeah, is the Maidens Lighthouses here in County Antrim, in the REC here, folks. Yeah, so the Maidens are a pair of rocky inlets in the North Channel of the County Antrim coast, about 9 kilometres, 5.5 miles from Ballygally, roughly 13 miles from Larne. They are famous for their 2 historic lighthouses built to warn ships of the dangerous rocks. The surviving lighthouse is East Maidens Lighthouse. That'll be the one with the black and white on it, folks, which will be included in the drone footage. So it will, yeah, the surviving lighthouse, which was first built in 5th of January 1829, was designed by George Haplin after local merchants and naval interest pressed for better navigation aids in the area. The lighthouse was automated in 1977 and remains operative till this day. So yeah, that would be the black and white one there I'm talking about, folks. Yeah, the western lighthouse stood on the outer rock but was discontinued in 1903 after improvements were made to the eastern light. The abandoned tower still stands as a landmark, although the former living quarters have largely fallen into ruin. The islands themselves, known as the Maidens, are also important for wildlife and marine habitats, which surrounding waters designated as a protected conservation area. Yeah, there is seals out there and there is birds that nest and stuff out there as well, so it is a protective conservative area, folks, as well. Like, yeah, on a clear day you can often spot the lighthouse from Larne, Ballygally, Isle McGee coastlines. It's a well-known site for local sailors, fishermen, divers and photographers. One of the most famous local stories is the 19th century romance between a keeper on the lighthouse and the daughter of another keeper on the other lighthouse. The pair reportedly travelled between the rocks by boat before eventually eloping in Carrickfergus. So yeah, folks, there's many a shipwreck scattered out around there, so there is. Like, I think that is the one on the left there that was built in 1829, man, some years ago. So yeah, so when they lived on it there, on the one that was first built, the big back garden used to grow their own foods, potatoes, stuff like that. There is actually stories of when the war was on, when German U-boats used to come in and round to the REC waters, that a distance, that lighthouse in the left looks like an actual submarine. So back in the war days, it used to scare off the German submarines, and you know, so yeah, folks, I will be taking a bit of footage from the shore here. I will send it out. I'll send the drone out zoom in a wee bit, so I will, plus there will be drone footage after the first bit of footage of both lighthouses, one continued and one discontinued. So yeah, folks, I hope you enjoyed this wee video, and I hope you enjoyed the drone footage, and enjoy